Hello everyone, this is Mondan Nagavan. In today's video, we are going to see how to make the inheritance between two classes. Let's consider this example. We have two classes here, the class person and class student. If you want student class to inherit from the person class, then you need to use the extends keyword followed by the parent class. In our case, the parent class is person. Let's focus into the person class. Person class has its constructor function, which requires the first and last name. Inside the constructor function, we are setting up this dot first and this dot last for the given first and last name. Then it has two more methods, show method and show ID type. Show method shows just the string content of the first and last name, and show ID type shows the ID type is other. Let's focus into the student class. Student class has the constructor function, but this constructor function requires all the arguments required for the parent class as well as the child class. For parent class, we need the first and last name. For child class, we can add any number of extra parameters or arguments. In our case, we are adding the course. The first line of the child class constructor function should be the parent class constructor function call. You can make the parent class constructor function call by using the super method. Super method should be having the same arguments required for the parent class constructor function. For the parent class constructor function, we need to have the first and last name. So we are passing super method. Inside that, we are passing the first and last name. Then we are setting up this dot course to the course. Then here we are overriding the show method, which is available inside your person class, which means that we don't want the implementation from the parent class. We want to override in our child class. So in child class, we are overriding. We are displaying not only the first and last name, but also the course detail. Then now we can create the object for the person and student. The person class needs the first and last name, whereas the student class require the first and last name along with the course name. If we call the person.show, it will be showing from the person class because it's a straightforward. Whereas if we call student.show, it will be looking to the student class. It has the override method. The show method is available, so it will be just displaying from the student class. But if you call student.show ID type, it will be looking to the child class. It is not available. Then it will be looking into the parent class. Then it will be showing from the parent class. This will be possible only in case if you extend the person class from the student class. So let's execute and see how it goes. Yes, the first show method showing for the person class. That's why you are seeing only the first and last name. The second student.show will be showing from the child class, which will be having the first and last name along with the course. And we are calling student.show ID type. Even though the show ID type is not available in the child class, it will be taking from the parent class because of the inheritance. So this way we have understood what is the class inheritance and how to make the class inheritance by using the keyword called extends. If you just want to compare this with the inheritance between the constructor functions, here we are not making the person.call method, or we are not just linking the person.prototype to the student.prototype. So this will be taken care automatically inside the JavaScript when you go with the class syntax. So this is all about the class inheritance. So thanks for watching and have a great day.